All right, well, we're back again. So it's only been, what, a couple of weeks since we fixed the issue with the spark. Ridden the boat, driven a few times since then. I get in today, it's a great day. I'm gonna go up and down the lake, maybe do a little fishing, and it won't shift. Well, it cranks up and then all of a sudden stops, won't shift, won't crank again. Like, you can pull crank it. So there's going to be something wrong with the linkage there. We're praying it's not the dog gear. I don't think that's going to be the problem, but let's take a look and see what we can find out. Here, what was happening is I'd put it in a gear, do nothing. Let's have a look. You see, it goes in one gear. What is that, reverse? No, forward. It'll switch up, reverse will push down. And what that's really doing here is turning this, catching little gears right here and moving this back and forth. Now this one's going to be a very easy fix, I believe, because what we notice is right here, the linkage has come off, and that is right here. So we should just be able to slap that little sucker back on there. I'll take a closer look and see what happened here. See if it'll focus in. This little piece has developed a crack. So we're gonna need to replace that. Let's see if we can get it focused for you. Well, that's pretty, yeah, there you go. You see the little crack in there? Now here's a good one. That's what that looks like. So there, that's a good one. That's a cracked one. So we're definitely gonna wanna replace this piece and be good to go from there. So let's see. But in the meantime, while we're waiting on parts to come in, JB Weld's your best friend. Well, take that back. Turns out I used the JB Weld last time we were working on the boat to fix a leak. There, so in the meantime, we're gonna use a little zip tie. This ought to get us at least back on the lake for the day so we can go catch some fish. All right, got our little zip tie fix in. As you can see, we are now changing gears again. So yeah, let's go test it out. And just thank God it wasn't the dog gear. Well, seems what we did has at least got us through for now. There we go.